tukienda mbele. But now let me just point out one or two things. I had a chance to also scan through the book, and there's a thread of courage. It takes a lot of courage to say the things you have said, but also to have gone through those things and you come out in one piece. You have been very frank. You have also shown that you have endured, and you have the capacity to endure and to go through challenges without falling apart. I would just like to highlight that in the book you juxtapose political deceit and political forthrightness very vividly, where one can see the bad side of politics and even the good side of politics. Your Excellency, there is a book by Jeffrey Archer. They call it, I think it's Jeffrey Archer, Honor Amongst Thieves. Some of you have read it. What Duale has brought out here is that there can also be honor amongst politicians. Politics is not always dishonorable. It is really what we choose to make it. And this book brings out a very strong statement on that particular aspect. Finally, the Honorable Duale asked me to say something about Madimoni. For those who don't know, Madimoni simply means ghosts, evil spirits. I was taught in my culture from childhood that at night you do not talk about ghosts and you do not talk about evil spirits because you shall have bad dreams. Since it is dark, I will leave the story of Madimoni for another day. So let me now call the Deputy President, Rigathi Gachagua, to come and make his remarks and invite the President.